In this video, I'm going to show you how the child door locks work on your 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. Very easy video, only takes about a couple minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we will do it on the left side door, okay, the left side rear door. Then we'll do the right side one. So open the door, right there, that's the lock. See where it is? That's the inside of the door. That's what the door latch is. And right there, there's even a small sticker that explains how it works. You see the little tab over that's sticking out? Yeah, just push it down. And now the child door lock is activated. Now, if I see it sit in the car, there's no matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside. The only way the door can now be opened up is from the outside. Right, so now let's open up the door and let's deactivate the child door lock. All you have to do is just push the tab back up. Just push it up in its original position. Now the door can be opened up from the outside, and that's good. And now the door can also be opened up from the inside when it's unlocked, just like before. Now we'll do it on the right side one. Same process as the left side one. Same tab right there, just push it down. The lock is activated now, the child door lock feature. Go in the car. There's no matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside now. Exact same process as the left side door. Now open up the door, push the tab back in its original position, and the latch works as it normally does. I can now unlock the door and open it up from inside and outside, and that is pretty much it.